Enganzi hangarobina nabanja yasime bina by'obutegetsi abwo kundi hangaliabo bakachamu bakaronda President Museveni akaruuru.
Using my powers as the Prime Minister of the Republic of Uganda, I will do what I can within my powers, and then the President, I believe, will also do what he can. So in brief, this meeting shows you that government of Uganda, under the wise leadership of His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, recognizes your contribution.
So if there is a word patriotism that exists in Uganda, you are more patriotic than some of us who would go for campaigns. Let me first conclude the sentence. Who would go for campaigns, but at the end of the month, I have a bank to go to get a salary. So you are more patriotic than we.
Isaac Ojoko, member w'ekibiina kya Uganda People's Congress na jangu bakachamu kushajika President Museveni abwo kujangwa ino obushobozi bwo kutwara Ageihangwe mu misho.
Our key message number one, Madam Right Prime Minister, one was the gain given to us by His Excellency the President. Right Honorable Prime Minister, His Excellency gave us sustainable peace that we are enjoying in northern Uganda today.
The reason we are here today is for us to reflect on the journey that we took together and see how best we can do it better next time. And where possible, we want you to join government so that we can do and implement some issues in our manifesto together.
Stella Bira Nambuya, President wa Deliberate Vote Kando Mbarara Republic Women and Youth Party na Young President Museveni akaba kubasa kugeragezwa n'abandi babire besimbireho.
We had to make our flags move higher and higher to show the world that the candidate we are promoting is a genius. Even if you are to consider all presidents in Africa, he's the most senior and he's the most strategic. And he's a president who can transit Uganda and Africa for the common good. Thank you so much.
These presidents, the leaders of political parties, Right Honorable Prime Minister, contributed money to make sure that the Alliance's strategic plan is implemented as it was planned. We thank you very much.
Ebi nebyashakira President Museveni hamwe Uganda People's Congress UPC, the Democratic Party DP, Uganda Patriotic Movement na Social Democratic Party hamwe nebindi. Amakuru agasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.